Hello there. Here's another Rust programming video. We're just going to read more out of the Rust programming language book, and this is, I gotta say, the least exciting part of the book, or at least the least exciting part so far, is comments. But you know what? We got to cover the comment section here, so comments. All right. All programmers strive to make their code easy to understand. No. No, they don't. But it's a nice thought. So, but sometimes extra explanation is warranted. In these cases, programmers leave comments in their source code that the compiler will ignore, but people reading the source code may find useful. So here's a simple comment. Hello world. I don't think there's basically no output. That's fine. In Rust, the idiomatic comment style starts a comment with 2 slashes, and comments continue until the end of the line. Sure, it seems simple enough. For comments that extend beyond a single line, you need to include // or / on each line like this. That's fine. Look at that. Should have no output. Good. Comments can be placed at the end of lines containing code. Sure. Wow, we actually have an example. Cargo new, example 0. Go into example 0, and I don't know why I thought it was E, but that's fine. Okay. So we could say let lucky number be bound to the value of 7, and then we could put a comment. I'm feeling lucky today. How about it? Are you feeling lucky today? So it's basically giving us some, are these all warnings? Warnings? Yeah. Basically, they're not used. So if we wanted to get rid of the unused warning, one of the ways to do it is to basically prepend it with an underscore. Compiles fine. All right. Now, back to the examples here. But you'll more often see them used in this format, with the comment on a separate line above the code it's annotating. Okay. So, why not? Let's do example 1. Where maybe I'm saying I'm feeling lucky today, and we'll say let lucky number be bound to the value of 7. Look at that. All right. So Rust also has another kind of comment, documentation comments, which we'll discuss in publishing a crates.io. Yes, I have used those. Yeah. Okay. Well, great. We'll get to them later, and that's perfectly fine. So, wow, oh my goodness, we just got through the entire section on comments. That's got to be the most sophisticated part of the entire programming language. Am I right? Anyway, okay, hopefully you got some value out of that. I mean, comments, jokes aside, are a valuable part of documenting code, at least in the right places and in the right way. I'd say this example didn't really get into the kinds of comments that are the most useful in Rust, because by and large, comments that just echo exactly what the line, the instructions are right below it are not very helpful. But if there's some less obvious why something is the way it is, those kind of comments can be beneficial. So anyway, that's probably an entire thing that we'll just leave for another time. But yeah, that's comments in the Rust programming language. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.